to the California Department of State Hospitals video on how to complete the training and experience exam. Exams completed on a laptop, tablet, or desktop may be easier to navigate. To obtain list eligibility with the Department of State Hospitals, start by visiting www.jobs.ca.gov. Click on Exam/Assessment Search. To begin your search, enter a keyword or the exam code, exam basis, department, classification title, or class code. Relevant exams will populate in the results section. For this example, we will use Automotive Equipment Operator 1, Department of Mental Health and Developmental Services. If more than one exam populates, be sure to click the desired exam. Click on the exam title hyperlink or the View Exam Posting button to proceed to the exam bulletin. Read through the exam bulletin in its entirety for important details, including how to apply. The preferred method to apply is through CalCareers. The mailing address is included in the exam bulletin if hard copy submission is the desired method to apply for the exam. Read through the minimum qualifications section to be sure you meet the criteria. Please ensure minimum qualifications are met prior to applying to the exam. Important exam information such as veterans preference, how to apply, and where to apply is listed. The supplemental report refers to the SurveyMonkey or Qualtrics exam. The link to the exam is provided after the application is selected. Hyperlinks to a blank application and other application documents are listed at the bottom of the bulletin page for those who wish to submit their application without using a CalCareers account. Select the Apply Now button at the top of the bulletin page. This should look similar to applying for job positions. If you have not logged into CalCareers, it will ask you to at this time. You can choose to log in if you have an account, or you can create an account. Select the application template you wish to submit for this exam or start a blank application. You can create application templates on the My Account page of your CalCareers account. Review your application to ensure information is accurate. Reasonable accommodation must be marked as either yes or no. As this is a training and experience online exam, reasonable accommodations are not necessary. There is no time limit, the exams are ADA compliant, and you may retake the exam if you experience computer issues. Please note, after selecting your desired template, the website will take you through each section of your application. Section 4, Test Components, is where you will find the exam link. Once you complete the exam, be sure to add a check mark in the Done box. Please note, due with application means that this is necessary to complete the exam application submission. You must verify that you have completed the SurveyMonkey or Qualtrics training and experience exam. The link will direct you to the relevant SurveyMonkey or Qualtrics exam page. Go through the exam, ensuring to mark each answer until you reach the final page of the exam, which will indicate you have successfully completed the exam. Please note, this video does not show the SurveyMonkey or Qualtrics exam completion, as this is a competitive process. Return to your CalCareers account, Section 4, to add a check mark to the Done box. Please note that if you do not click the Done checkbox, an error message will appear. Check the box and click Save and Continue to proceed. If you do not take the exam but still check the Done box, there will be no way for you to return to the exam link. If this happens, please contact the department's exam unit. Under the Complete the Application Package Document section, the Conditions of Employment section directly links to your eligibility conditions of employment. This section must be completed. All locations and time bases are pre-selected. If you wish to deselect a specific location/time base, select it in the right-hand box and click the middle arrow buttons between the boxes. As they move to the left-hand box, they will be deselected. Please note, not all conditions of employment tabs will be available for all exams. Tenure/time base and location should be completed to continue with the exam. Once your preferred conditions of employment are selected, click the Save Conditions box and then the back button to return to Section 5 application package. You can choose to complete the optional recruitment survey, but it is not required. If extra documentation, such as transcripts, are needed, you can choose to attach/upload at this time. Then click Save and Review Application. Congratulations, you are ready to submit your exam application. Be sure to check the box to attest that you have read and understand the terms and conditions. Select the Submit My Application Electronically button. Once you click Submit My Application Electronically, you will see Application Submitted at the top of the screen. If this does not appear, your application was not submitted successfully. A confirmation email will be sent through your CalCareers account. When you log back into CalCareers, you may view your application record under Exams/Assessments Applications. Completed applications are located under the Active tab. This has more detailed information about your exam application submission. You may review the documents submitted with your application. You can see the current status of your application, for example, pending, accepted, or rejected. Please note, you are able to resume an incomplete application if you have not completed it. The Not Submitted tab shows all exam applications that you have started. Click on the exam code hyperlink to resume the application process. This will take you to the application record page. If you click the Edit My Application button, it will direct you to your application. You may make edits to and submit your application and navigate to the exam link to take the online exam.